not promote privacy. I do not promote. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got another book set from Meesho under a very reasonable price. So let's unbox it and I'll tell you to buy it or not. And let's start. This thing might get never old. I have already unboxed the book because I have really gotten a patience level of a goldfish, and on top of that I got this book set gifted by my mother on 23rd April, hashtag the book day, and I was very lucky to get one book from my mother and not from my friends. Okay, they basically don't have the time and energy to give me some books. I'm unlucky in that type of friendships and all. Leaving that, let me show you what books I have. I have got the Empyrean series by Rebecca Yarros, the Fourth Wing series, and these are the book I have got. Let me review each and every book one by one, and you know the drill. The link will be provided in the description, and yes, you can buy it. It's not sponsored, so everything will be raw and genuine. In return, you can do one thing: you can like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. I'll tell about the quality, pages alignment, and the printing and everything, the cover, the material, the quality, etc. Everything, and tell you if to buy it or not. So let's start from the first book, that is The Fourth Wing, and it's written by Rebecca Yarros. And the book quality is insanely good. I didn't expect it. It has a little dents and pens, but it can be ignored, and I got it under rupees 500, so it's a steal deal. Of course, if you go to Amazon and anything, you'll find it way more expensive than this, like for 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees for the 3 sets of books, and it's quite expensive for people like us. So this book's quality is insane. The cover is of course matte with these glossy texts. The paper quality is also very nice, and the book is floppy. I love floppy books. I don't like hard spine books. They are very difficult to. The alignment of the words is also very good. Everything is just top notch. Off topic, but I'm currently reading a lot of books, like a lot. I'm a moody reader and avid reader too. It's a weird combination, I know. And I've managed to read so many books this month, and I finished the Legacy of God series. It's damn amazing. I'll review every book very soon. I've also started The Cruel Prince, and I'm halfway through the book, and I'm very confused about it right now because it's really slow and I can't tell anything about it right now. It's very mixed emotions and flashing up everything. And I have completed the Legacy of God series. Hunt the Villain and Kiss the Villain are left, that I will read after any other time, I guess. And also I have ordered King of Gluttony, that will arrive anytime soon, and I'm just excited to read it as much as I can tell. And these are few more books that I have here, and some books are kept in another. Let's get back to the topic. So I was reviewing the books, and now I'm gonna review the second book of the series. This is The Iron Flame. Its cover is fully matte, and it does not have any glossy text. In short, all the 3 books do not look the same, and neither they are of same height. So this was a major drawback, but if you are not looking for extreme perfection and just looking for it to just read it, then you can grab this up. The Iron Flame is even better than Fourth Wing. You can see text and all. The texts are perfectly aligned in this too, and also the font is of medium size. That is not very good because the font is not very much big in this, and you may find difficulty to read it. There are no misprints and no scribbling along and no ink flushing, nothing like that. The pages quality is also very good, and I didn't find any dent and bends and any torn pages in it. Now coming to the last book. Now coming to the last book of the series, that is Onyx Storm, and this book is also wholly matte, and it also does not have any excuse me, any glossy text on it. So it's similar to the Iron Flame, but it's a little bigger in size. What do I say? Not very much difference. A little slight difference you might notice when you will look it very much closely or on very concentrated point. So reviewing the overall book series, this series will look very pretty on your books. Are in good conditions. I'll not lie at all. It will look pretty on your bookshelf. Your bookshelf aesthetics will not be compromised at any point, and the font is also readable, so there will no such be problem in reading it. And also, the books are in great conditions. You can totally go for it. On top of it, the price is so reasonable and so pocket friendly that you can go for it and buy it. Do not promote privacy. I do not promote piracy at all. It's just that I want all of you to read books. If you are not able to afford it, also you can read it, and that's all. That's all for the video. If you want me to review more such books and you want to read these and give you review, then you can tell me in the comment section if you want a review of these books. And tell me in the comment section also that's how you felt after watching the video. If you like the video or not, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.